Okay, without wasting too much time, let's start today's lab. In our last lab, I hope all of you have done all four tables, right? Please put your status into a chat. How many of you have completed all four tables? Put your status into a chat. Who else? Only one student. Okay, Harshit. What about other? As I told you, without that we cannot move forward. You cannot perform even single query, right? So it is necessary steps to complete all the tables: account, loan, transaction, installment. Harstak, Neville, Vivek, Kalpana, Venditu, Parthiv, Gopal. What is your status? Put a message into a chat immediately. Join on time. I told you complete before coming to the next lab. Although you have not finished the tables. Okay, I am giving you 10 minutes. Complete it and then put a message into a chat. Quickly complete all the remaining tables. Those who join late kindly complete all the four tables which are mentioned in a practical one: account, loan, transaction, and installment. Without completing this, we cannot move forward. So complete it and make sure from the next lab, all of you will join on a time. I will wait only for 5 minutes, not more than that. And seriously, from the next lab, in every lab, I will explain the concept which will be used during the practicals in a starting of the lab. Then after, I am not going to repeat that thing, right? सो ज्वाइन ऑन टाइम। मैं लैब के स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको कंसेप्ट एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा। फिर यू ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू सॉल्व द क्वेरीज, राइट? सो आप ज्वाइन हो जाओ। आई विल मैक्सिमम आई विल वेट फॉर 5 to 7 minutes, नॉट मोर देन दैट। फाइन। Once you complete all four tables, put a message into a chat so I can get the idea. And then after, I have to explain something to you, then you can perform the queries. Do it fast. Everyone complete all four tables quickly. Okay, now pay attention on a screen. Everyone, pay attention on a screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes, sir.
visible.
Okay. Uh, Select star from account. When you run this query, you will find the table, right? Entire table with all columns and with all rows. If you want to display selected column and selected rows, then you can do it. If you want to display few rows, not all rows, and few columns, then you can display. Let's understand first. Star it means all columns. Star it means all columns. When I write here a particular column name like account number, comma, name, then it will display which columns? Only two columns, account number and name. Let's run. You can see the output. Uh, Only two columns are displayed, right? So by this way you can write many more. If I write city here, then it will display only three columns, right? Now suppose if you want to display only few rows, this is all about the column, right? This is all about the column. Star it means column. Star it means column. Now, if you want to display only few rows, not all rows, यहाँ पे suppose if I want to display only those rows whose city is equals to Mehsana, city जिसका Mehsana है वो row display करवानी है, then for that we have a clause where clause. Where is one clause? Where is keyword? Where is one clause? So क्लोज के बाद में you need to write this condition. For example, where city is equals to Mehsana. Here you need to write exact spelling which you have entered during the insertion. Right? Let me run this one. So you will get two rows. Patel Ramesh and Patel Jigar. Right? Because this two rows is having a city Mehsana. Instead of this condition, city is equals to Mehsana, you can write any condition which you want. For example, okay, let me give you the demo. What kind of error you may get. If I write small m here, and run it, you will find no data found because in our table it is mentioned as a capital M. So as I told you in a first lab, data are case sensitive. Data are case sensitive. So make sure you do not do this mistake, right? Okay. For example, if I want to write here loan taken status, yes, I have written Y capital E and S small. then we will get 3 rows जिसका लोन टेकन स्टेटस यस है. ठीक है. Fine. If I write here another condition, any condition, if I want to see those records whose balance is greater than 50,000, so where balance greater than or equals, whatever condition you want to apply, you can apply 50,000, right? Let's say we will get three rows, not including 50 because we have written greater. Clear? So this where clause is used to filter the record row and all columns. Now let's mixture it. Let's combine both concepts. Before this we have learned the only columns, few columns. After that, right now we have learned few rows. Now few column and few rows both करना है. तो सपोज ये फ्यू रोज का तो आंसर डिस्प्ले हो ही रहा है, इसमें मैं फ्यू कॉलम का आंसर ऐड कर रहा हूँ. सपोज आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले ओनली अकाउंट नंबर नेम ऑफ दोस records whose balance is greater than 50,000. Let's run. So we'll get these two column only. Records are same, right? Are you getting? Yes or no? Are you getting? Hello, good morning. I'm asking to you, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So according to our need, we can retrieve the data from table. Right now we have only 5 rows, so we can easily display the or easily find the data. But whenever we have 1,000 entry, then this where clause will help to filter out the data according to user need. Right? Fine. Now next, as I told you, the describe. To show the structure of table, describe keyword is used, this or describe entire spelling or table account. So by this way you can see the structure of the table, right? Now what is your task? All of you need to complete all 4 tables with all data. Then after I have explained the concept which will be used in a practical 1. You have a 5 query. That 5 query you need to perform. Not for that query, in that they have given the general question, display selected column and selected row. So for that you can select any column or any row as per your convenience. आपको जो पसंद आए वो column display करवा दो, आपको जो मर्जी आए वो condition डाल दो. There is no specific criteria. But if they mention from the transaction table, from the account table, then you must have to write that table name. अगर मेंशन नहीं किया है यू कैन टेक एनी टेबल, बट मेंशन किया है देन कंपलसरी वो टेबल यूज करना है. क्लियर? सो नाउ यू ऑल ऑफ यू आर एबल टू परफॉर्म द फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल. क्लियर? सो हियर it is the end of practical 1. From the next lab or according to your time we will start the practical 2. Here it is the end of practical 1. यहाँ पे practical 1 का जो भी concept है वो खत्म हो गया. ठीक है, सिंपल ही था. So without practical 1 you cannot move to the practical 2. और practical 2 के लिए अभी भी मैं आपको warning दे रहा हूँ, be on time on a next lab because I will not repeat all the concept. I will solve the doubts. I will not repeat all the concept, right? और जो भी कंसेप्ट आप पहले सीखे हो वो लास्ट तक याद रखना है, वो लास्ट में भी आपको यूज होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी आपने ये सिलेक्ट का कंसेप्ट समझ लिया तो बाद में नहीं यूज होगा. इट विल हेल्प टू यू फ्रॉम फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल टू लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल. I can wait not more than 5 to 7 minutes. So join on time. Clear? Do you have any query, any doubt? Do you have any query, any doubt?
No, sir.
Not right now, sir.
Okay, then fine. Continue with your work. I am stopping my screen as well as recording. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask, right? Okay, continue with your work.